Hello everyone, I'm Tan Lu from KEDA SUREMAKER. I am currently at our manufacturing base. As a leader in holistic AAC plant solution equipment, we have built a vertically integrated manufacturing and assembly system. Driven by digitalization and greening, we are committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Let's go and find out. Want to know how to prevent corrosion while maintaining appearance? KEDA SUREMAKER's Surface Coating Workshop has the answer. This environmentally friendly, fully automated workshop features automatic shot blasting machines, spray booths, and self-lifting hoists. A 16-head shot blasting machine first cleans each workpiece deeply. An intelligent drying system controls temperature precisely. Environmentally friendly water-based paint technology ensures both anti-corrosion performance and superior surface finish. The entire process from pre-treatment to curing is systematic and completed in under an hour. The result? Equipment that looks high-end and unified, plus long-term corrosion protection. Green manufacturing you can see and feel. KEDA SUREMAKER is committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Welcome to inquire anytime.